Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a makeup tutorial for you girls. Y'all asked me for this, so here you go. First things first, I'm gonna start off with a orange type of color. This is M.A.C eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna put this all into the crease. Just kind of blowing it out with the fluffy brush. I forgot the name of this brush, but this is like a Morphe brush. Now I'm going to go in with Brownscript, and I'm going to take a 217, and I'm just going to put that a little bit lower than where I put the Rule eyeshadow, and I'm just going to blend that all into the crease. Make sure you layer your colors very well, that way they can be like super pigmented. So now I'm going to go in with Swiss Chocolate, and this color kind of look like Brownscript, but it's a little bit deeper. It's more of a brown, not so rusty, but I'm just going to put that also into the crease just to kind of deepen my crease just a little bit. Now I'm going in with a purple eyeshadow, and this is Shadow Lady. It kind of puts you in the mind of like a dark black or something, but it's really just a purple. It's just very deep, and I'm just going to deepen my outer corner and my crease even more. And I'm going in with a liquid dazzle shadow. It's like a liquid eyeshadow that we have, but I forgot the name of it. I will link it down in the description box because I don't have it next to me. But it's just like a nice champagne liquid eyeshadow. And I'm just going to blend this all on the lid and into the crease. I'm not doing a cut crease or anything like that. It's just, I just want it to look very pigmented and blended, if that makes sense to you. And I'm just going back in with a smaller brush just to make sure, I get all the details and everything gets blended very nicely. Now I'm going in with Blactrack eyeliner. I'm creating like a very thin line. I don't want any like dramatic wing or anything. And I'm going to put on my Broadway No. 5 lashes. This is Peach Luster from MAC. I'm just putting this around my mouth and underneath my eye because I do have under eye like darkness, and like around my mouth is so discolored. Like it's so discolored. So I really have to go in with like a light salmon color. But I'm just blending that into the skin. I don't want this to like show through my foundation, so I'll make sure that I can really blend it into the skin. Now I'm going in with my foundation. This is MAC Studio Fix NC50, and I mixed it with Face and Body C7 just to kind of like cool the color down and to give me like a nice satin finish. So I'm just putting it on. This brush is a 170 brush. I'm trying to name all the brushes, but forgive me. I'll link everything down in the description box. Now I'm going in with LA Girl Pro Conceal and Warm Honey and MAC Studio Fix Concealer in C42. I don't have a clip of me putting on the MAC concealer, but I pretty much just did the LA Girl and then I did the NC42 on top of it just to kind of give me a more yellow undertone. And I'm taking that underneath my chin area, my jawline, and my nose and my forehead, and I'm just going to blend it in with a beauty blender. I don't know about like y'all, but I really do like a bright under eye. It don't have to be like white, but it needs to be there. Like, I don't know, that's just my thing. I'm just going back in with the foundation brush, taking some extra foundation, making sure like I really blend in the concealer and the foundation because I kind of want it to be like seamless. And I'm just going in with the little smaller brush on my nose. I'm not really contouring. I'm just taking my foundation and just bronzing my nose a little bit. Now I'm going in with Black Radiance setting powder. I think this is in the shade Banana or Yellow, but it's just like a drugstore powder. I really do like it. It's very nice. I'm just setting my under eye, up my upper lip, and everywhere else I highlighted. Now I'm just going in with MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in Dark. This is the loose form, and I'm just putting that around everywhere where I didn't highlight, like on the sides of my cheeks and stuff, my forehead. Just to kind of bring some color back to me, because once you do highlight and stuff, I feel like it washes you out so much. Now I'm going in with MAC Studio Fix. This is NW55. I'm just really bronzing. I'm kind of getting out of contouring, so I don't really like heavily sculpt my cheeks and stuff. I just like it to be very bronze and flushed and stuff. So now I'm going to kind of bronze my nose a little bit. Still not contouring, just adding a little color there, because I kind of want my nose to pop, but I don't want to look like I contoured it. Now I'm going in with my favorite trio of blushes, because I use like 3 to 5 blushes because I'm obsessed with it. I'm using Gingerly, Burnt Pepper, and Lovejoy, and I'm just putting that on top of my cheeks. Now I'm going in with a Ruby Kisses highlighter. Ooh, I do not know the name of this one either, but I will link it in the description box so that you guys can purchase it or find it at your local beauty supply or something. But I'm just putting that all over my cheeks, my nose area, my forehead. Not doing too much, but yeah, anyway, this video is going so fast. Now I'm doing my brows. I already did my brows actually. I'm just kind of like polishing them up a little bit. So I'm using some lash glue and I'm just kind of brushing them into place, and I just press them down to kind of make sure that they stay throughout the day. Now I'm going in with Ruby Kisses dark brown lip pencil, and I'm just outlining my lips. I'm going in with Kat Von D Lolita liquid lipstick. This is a oldie, but it is still so good. And now I'm going in with another Ruby Kisses liquid lipstick. And on top of that, I'm going to go in with NYX Fortune Cookie and some MAC clear gloss. And that was it. I'm sorry. This is my first talk through voiceover type of video. Love you guys. Bye.